underneath these birds, the Mexicans say that the maps and the charts aren't near as accurate as the frigates.
Okay, we're off Cabo San Lucas, off the lighthouse now. We've got our live bait in the water, and we've got the frigates in the air, and the captain says it's a good spot.
No te arrimes, ponte arriba, ponte arriba. Dale para allá, ¿verdad? Ándale. Con tu mano.
It started right away. A lot of times when you turn it off. Second attempt. Got to get a Marlin on the jet ski. No tuna, no dorado, no thresher shark. Marlin. Almost, man.
More time.
That in his mouth, they spit it out.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
This bait's
7,
no
8.
good?
Hey, good day.
10 seconds. 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
10
Is
seconds.
this bait good?
A ver, no, change.
Yeah, pretty good.
No,
Pretty
it's
good.
good, it's good.
Good.
Fish. Nice picture. Oh, moving.
All right, señorita. How they got it?
Arriba, 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 arriba. Chicken breast, chicken breast. Viene para arriba, viene para arriba, viene para arriba. Ahí le pegó. No, le pegó. Ahí le trae, ahí está, ahí está. Check the pressure. No, aquel que no dejarlo. Pero no trae la pinche.
You got the long ear. Close within 20 feet.
Okay.
All right, we'll give you more out a little bit. He's got another burst of energy. We're gonna have about another 30 minutes before he's tired enough to bring him in. Little break.
Not that good. Not that good. No Japanese. No Japanese. Ahora vuelta a hacer una profa.
Yeah, that guy by his tail. Wow.
Nice picture.
Acá qué hermosa foto. Bonita.
Check that out.
¡Te pasa, compa! ¿Cómo montas? Mejor de mi amigo en el barco.
Well, sometimes efforts to go and film something don't pay off. I just drove 35 kilometers down a nasty road to try and go film the whales in Laguna Ojo Libre. I passed up San Ignacio because there was a Juanjo's wife's sister just died coming from there. They picked her up at the airport yesterday, her body. And I tried this one. There's also Magdalena Bay and Guerrero Negro, but I think I'm going to give up the fight to film the whales. As you can see, probably my fifth blowout. There's my seventh blowout. Now I'm down to this tiny little baby spare. And I'm right in the middle of the desert. I'm pretty much, how do you say, screwed.